Hey kids, let's draw and hear a story about a little rabbit. Once upon a time, in a big green meadow, there lived a little rabbit named Ruby. Ruby was a happy, curious rabbit who loved to hop around and explore. She had soft, fluffy fur, big, twitchy ears, and a bouncy tail. Ruby loved playing with her friends, but she always dreamed of having her own big adventure. One bright morning, Ruby woke up feeling excited. "Today, I'm going on an adventure," she said. Ruby hopped past the flowers, the tall grass, and her favorite carrot patch, heading toward the forest at the edge of the meadow. The forest was big and quiet. Ruby's ears twitched at every little sound, but she was very brave. As she hopped through the trees, she noticed something shiny under a bush. "What's that?" Ruby wondered. She carefully moved closer and peeked under the leaves. It was a golden acorn. It sparkled in the sunlight, and Ruby couldn't believe her eyes. She picked it up with her little paws. "This is so special," Ruby thought. "I have to show my friends." Ruby started hopping back to the meadow, but on the way, she found a big, steep hill. The hill was hard to climb with the acorn, but Ruby didn't give up. She used her strong legs and hopped all the way to the top. "I can do it," she said to herself. When Ruby got back to the meadow, all her friends gathered around. "Wow, what's that?" asked her best friend, Willow. "It's a golden acorn," Ruby said proudly. "Let's plant it together." All the rabbits helped dig a little hole in the middle of the meadow. They placed the acorn inside, covered it with dirt, and waited. Days passed, and then something amazing happened. A tiny golden sprout appeared. The sprout grew bigger and bigger until it became a huge golden tree. The tree gave shade on sunny days, sweet fruit for everyone to eat, and a fun place to play. All the rabbits loved it. "Ruby, you're a hero," her friends said. They named the tree Ruby's tree to thank her for sharing the golden acorn. Ruby felt so happy. She had gone on an adventure, found something special, and made her friends smile. And from that day on, Ruby kept exploring and having new adventures, always sharing what she found. Bye for now. See you next time.